As a fresher in IIT Bombay, as we all know that IIT Bombay campus is full of terrain and it's full of hilly area, and the lecture halls are way too far from our domes. So I was struggling to go to lectures. I was too lazy to go to lectures to buy it. And I thought that I need to find solution for this because there was no such solution available in institute. So I thought, okay, currently there are e-bikes in the market. So I thought of just going out with the e-bikes. I am currently working on some innovations which include other micro-mobility solutions too. So I thought of electric kick scooters. I thought of foldable electric kick scooters which can fit in our bag itself, like it will be that mobile. I actually also made India's first electric waveboard. The Oxylo waveboard we might all know from Decathlon. I have converted it to completely electric by myself. I have 3D printed the clamps and I have used DC motors for it also. So I started this 1.5 years back. I converted my first cycle to electric, which was a Hero cycle. Inspired from this, my roommate who had the same cycle of mine wanted me to convert his cycle to electric too. And then there was my first customer of IIT Bombay. After that, there were continuous demands of e-bikes from institutions. Currently, I am at a stage that I cannot manufacture all of this, so I had to outsource. There are currently 12 to 15 cycles, electric cycles of mine in the institute running as rental basis. Also, there are a few customers of mine who have already purchased these e-bikes from myself. So when I started this journey, my aim was to target the last mile logistic delivery partners for my business, because the reason is there are already competitors like Yulu and Zip who are giving out that electric mopeds and electric scooters for rent. I started working on developing high range of e-cycles and highly durable e-cycles, and currently I still have my innovation going on developing an 100-kilometer range of e-cycles. In future, my target customer would definitely include last mile logistic delivery partner, because the rent, Yulu and Zip charges from them is way higher, and I can provide them a better product which can give higher speeds, higher range, a pedal assist at 50% cost of what they are providing right now. So currently, talking about the e-bike market, most of the parts used in electric bikes are imported from China itself. Whether it's throttle, whether it's electric brakes, whether it's light horn, or it's motor or batteries or the cells used in the batteries, all of them are imported from China. And what Indian manufacturers are doing, that they are assembling this kit on a normal cycle and making their e-bikes, whether it's e-Motorrad or Hero Electro. I would probably try to collaborate with the manufacturers because I don't want the operations on me. I would rather focus on the business part more and help people commute all around the campus and all around the last mile easily. So I don't want the operations on me. Our e-bikes come with a durable aluminum frame with high quality disc brakes so that you can stop in a blink of an eye. We have managed to gain an impressive real world range of about 50 kilometers with an impressive top speed of 25 kmph pure throttle. There are other features like headlight for night drives, a horn, smart pedal assist which senses that user is pedaling and motor automatically drives power to the user. If you drive e-cycle for same speed for 8 seconds, then the speed gets locked and you can go on long drives. And the best part, it's all electric, reducing your carbon footprint to zero. All of this for a cost lower than an auto rickshaw ride. With Pawan, commuters are simpler, faster and just better. We aim to grow, build more, innovate and push the boundaries. We are Pawan. Get your e-bike today. Yeah.